Hello JE aspirants, welcome back to Cutoff 360. So from the title you can easily understand that in this video we'll be discussing in depth about how you can score 90 plus marks in maths in 3 weeks. So before we proceed, one need to understand that we do not claim that anyone with zero knowledge, जिसे कुछ भी idea नहीं है कि maths का let's say basic knowledge भी नहीं है, can easily clear out maths in JE within 3 weeks. We do not claim something like that, but if you have a very basic idea of all the chapters in maths and looking to appear for the JE session 2 exam, then this video is for you. In this video we'll be giving you in-depth guide for the next 3 weeks, which will surely make you to get 90 plus marks if you have a very good idea about the chapters of different chapters in math. So make sure to stay till the end of this video to understand the complete plan. That too will be going ahead with hourly plan as well, like on day, within a week, within an hour what you need to do. So make sure to stick till the end. So before we proceed with understanding the complete pattern of session 2 for maths, let's understand session 2 का maths क्यों difficult होता है. कुछ तो ऐसा पास्ट 3 years ट्रेंड्स में सबने ऑब्जर्व किया है जिससे ये कंक्लूड होता है कि सेशन 2 इज ऑलवेज बिट टफर, नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर टफर, बट लेट्स से कुछ ऐसे न्यू टॉपिक्स ऐड अप हो जाते हैं जिससे थोड़ा पेपर ट्रिकी हो जाता है. लाइक इन 2025 3 tough matrices questions were asked and 2 hard integer type 3D geometry problems were asked. So that made the session 2 tougher than session 1 in 2025. When it comes to 2024, probability questions with hidden conditional logic, most of the students missed those type of questions which made the maths paper hard. And when it comes to 2023, long calculation, definite integrals in the last 10 questions were difficult, which made the overall paper tricky and lengthy. So ये सब कुछ pointers को हमें confirm रखना है so that when we appear for 2026 session 2, we are prepared with every small stuff so that हमें paper ज़्यादा tricky and lengthy नहीं लगे and we are able to answer all the questions. While many of the people around spread a miscommunication that math is always tougher and it's very hard to score, but if it is prepared with the right approach and logic, math is actually a scoreable subject. जहाँ पे आप easily आंसर्स को डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. जस्ट यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली सो दैट कि जब हमारे पास क्वेश्चंस आता है तो हम लोग को पता है कि ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी आने वाले हैं. जब कुछ आपके पास कुछ एक न्यू टाइप का क्वेश्चंस अपीयर हो जाता है, देन ओनली पीपल गेट पैनिक्ड, एंड इफ 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस आर समथिंग लाइक दैट मेक्स पीपल पैनिक, देन जितने भी आगे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली थोड़ा स्टूडेंट को नर्वस कर जाते हैं. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग को कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है कि इवन दो इफ दोज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस अपीयर, वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट वी कैन सॉल्व दोज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. Strategic preparation beats random hard work every time. So always strategy is the must. Every JE coaching, different coaching centers, experts say that strategy is the most. So make sure to stick till the end of this video so that you understand the complete strategy of 3 weeks on how to solve the question. And 90 plus marks is achievable from 60 to 65 in 3 weeks with right plan. So make sure to understand the plan in depth. Watch the video slowly. If you need, you can pause the video, understand it, repeat it, but make sure to understand the video completely. So as you can see on the screen, we have divided the complete framework into 3 different types, which is tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 based on the difficulty level, which score will fetch you the high marks and the weightage. So candidate who are appearing for the session 2 exam first need to make sure that the tier 1 is the chapters that are falling into tier 1, you are confident with it and you are able to solve most of the questions that are asked from the section. That too in next, after completing the tier 1, one should focus on tier 2 and then shift to tier 3. So in tier 1 it is calculus, coordinate geometry, algebra. In tier 2 it is trigonometry, statistics and probability, sets, relation and function. And in tier 3 it is vector 3D, permutation and combination, sequence and series. So within these chapters also we have divided everything into subtopics and explained everything day wise and week wise how you should prepare for your exam. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's start with understanding how you should plan for week 1. So morning you should spend your time mostly on the at least 2 hours of morning time in tier 1 topics, which includes theory revision and solving at least 20 questions. You can increase it to 3 hours if you think that you are confident with physics and chemistry and need to focus more toward math, then you can increase the timing to 3 hours or 3.5 hours based on your comfort. When it comes to afternoon, you can focus on tier 2 topics, which is at least spend 2 hours in it and solve standard type of questions, because if you are clear with the basic concept. And evening you need to spend at least 1 hour, 10 JEE main questions, time no hints, means you should at least solve 10 previous year questions if you are finding it for chapters that are included in tier 1 topic and tier 2. So what I would recommend you to do is go back to the video, list down the topics that are included in tier 1 and tier 2. Also in the comment section I'll be highlighting which are the topics that are included in tier 1 and which are the topic included in tier 2, so that it becomes easy for you to understand and you don't have to go back to the video every time. So as you can see on the screen, for day 1 it is limit and continuity. In day 1 and in day 2 you need to ensure that you are confirm and confident with limit and continuity. In day 3 and day 4 you need to ensure that differentiation and application you are confident with all type of questions and you are able to solve previous year questions whatever is appearing in front of your screen. In day 5 focus on definite integrals. In day 6 complex number and quadratics, and in day 7 matrices and determinants. So this is the week 1 plan for your maths. If you are able to follow and stick to this plan, then it is 100% sure that you can score 70 plus, and if you are confident with the solving questions, then 90 plus is going nowhere from your end. Now that you are aware of week 1 plan, let's take a look at week 2. So week 2 is completely about speed and accuracy training. तो ये वीक रहेगा मार्च 22 टू मार्च 28. सो हम लोग वीक 2 में न्यू कंटेंट को स्टडी नहीं करेंगे. दैट मीन्स कि अगर कोई भी ऐसा एक न्यू कंटेंट आपको दिख रहा है या फिर कोई न्यू टॉपिक दिख रहा है जो आपने नहीं पढ़ा है आज तक, तो हम उन्हें देखेंगे ही नहीं. इंस्टेड हमने जो अभी तक पढ़ लिया है, हमने जो अभी तक टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर लिया है, हम उस पर फोकस करेंगे और हमारा एक ही टारगेट रहेगा, टू बिल्ड द स्पीड. So again we have divided into 3 time structure, that is morning, afternoon and evening. Morning में हम 2 hours देंगे. Like in week 1 we have already spent 2 hours to 3 hours and some people might have spent 3.5 hours also. But जब हम week 2 का बात करें तो week 2 में morning में हम लोग maximum 2 hours देंगे, because we have to focus on other subject as well. Afternoon में 1.5 hours and evening में 1 घंटा. तो morning में हमारा टारगेट क्या रहेगा? 30 questions time drill. एक टॉपिक 45 सेकेंड एवरेज पर क्वेश्चन, मतलब हम लोग को 30 क्वेश्चन का एक ड्रिल करना है, जहाँ पे हम लोग, मैंने टाइम ड्यूरेशन में मेंशन कर रखा है कि हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव टू स्पेंड. नॉट 30, इफ यू वांट यू कैन लाइक प्रैक्टिस 40 ऑल्सो, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर इन द एंड गेम. तो जब टाइम नज़दीक है तो हमें क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग भी थोड़े इंक्रीज करने चाहिए. तो आई हैव मेंशन्ड मिनिमल अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चन दैट वन कैन सॉल्व, बट based on the timing you can go for more. It's completely on you. आफ्टरनून में मैथ्स का मॉक टेस्ट देंगे हम, जहाँ पे 30 क्वेश्चन इन 60 मिनट्स हमें सॉल्व करके टाइमर देख के करना है. बिकॉज रिमेंबर वीक 2 इज स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी ट्रेनिंग. हम लोग वीक 2 में कम्प्लीटली फोकस करेंगे कि हमने जो भी वीक 1 में पढ़ा है उसको हम लोग स्पीड में कन्वर्ट कर सके और एक्यूरेसी में कन्वर्ट कर सके, ताकि जब हमारे सामने पेपर आए तो हम लोग सॉल्व ईजिली कर सके, बिकॉज हमारा प्रैक्टिस वैसा रहेगा. एंड इवनिंग में कुछ नहीं, आपको ना कुछ पेपर सॉल्व करना है, ना ही आपको कोई टॉपिक पढ़ना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. इवनिंग का टारगेट, व्हाट विल बी आवर इवनिंग टारगेट? टू एनालाइज द मिस्टेक्स. रिमेंबर, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अ गुड, let's say a topper is not about becoming a topper is not about completing as many questions as you can, completing as many topics as you can, but a topper always analyzes his or her mistake. मतलब if you want to become a topper, not topper, but if you want to score good marks in math, then you need to analyze your error. अगर आप एरर पे आपने एनालाइज किया, उस पर वर्कआउट कर लिया, देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन स्टे कॉन्फिडेंट कि आपका बहुत अच्छा मार्क्स आएगा मैथ्स में. सो हम लोग कौन सा टॉपिक पे टारगेट करेंगे इन वीक 2? सो विल बी टारगेटिंग ऑन कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, ऑल 4 कॉनिक्स, स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट्स, वेक्टर 3D पे हम लोग टारगेट करेंगे, 4 to 5 स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉब्लम टाइप, नथिंग बियॉन्ड दैट। प्रोबेबिलिटी पे देखेंगे जहाँ पे बायस थ्योरम एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रॉब्लम पे हम लोग फोकस करेंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट विल बी बाइनोमियल थ्योरम, हम लोग बाइनोमियल थ्योरम पे भी फोकस करेंगे, जहाँ पे बाइनोमियल थ्योरम में हम लोग कोफिशिएंट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सब सॉल्व करेंगे। अब एरर लॉग में हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? कीप अ फिजिकल नोटबुक। अगर हम लोग एरर लॉग प्रिपेयर करते, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग क्वेश्चन में देखे समझे कि हाँ हमारा ये मिस्टेक था और उसके बाद छोड़ दिए, नहीं। हम लोग को एक स्ट्रैटेजी वाइज जाना है, जहाँ पे हम लोग एक फिजिकल नोटबुक लेंगे, जहाँ पे हम लोग नोट डाउन करेंगे व्हाट राइट एवरी मिस्टेक, वाज इट कॉन्सेप्ट, कैलकुलेशन और टाइम प्रेशर, किस चीज़ ने आपका क्वेश्चंस में एरर लाया है, एंड रिव्यू दिस लॉग डेली अलोन। ये ऑटोमेटिकली अगर आप ये जितने भी एरर है उसको आप नोट डाउन कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद उसे रिव्यू कर रहे हैं, देन इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली improve your accuracy and speed, which will result in more marks in. Next, let's talk about week 3, which is completely about peak and product. So it will be between March 29 to April 1st, and like before 4 days of the exam, you don't have to learn any new topic. Whatever you have learned, protect it, keep it in your mind that you don't have to approach for a new topic so that you miss out whatever you have read till now. Week 1 and week 2 plan is very created very strategically so that you get the desired marks without losing more in session 2 exam. So on the day 1, try to not on day 1 but in 4 days you can solve as many, like at least 3 mocks is needed every day. Sleep by 11 p.m. and review your errors carefully. In the all 4 days you need to ensure that you are reviewing your errors so that whenever during the exam time, if you are in the exam hall, if you are solving any kind of question, if those kind of error appears, you are easily able to recognize it कि okay ये गलती मैं कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ एंड इसे मुझे करेक्ट करना है। अगर आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि कौन सा मिस्टेक आपने किया है और आप कर रही हैं, तो आप वो क्वेश्चन कभी करेक्ट हो ही नहीं पाएगा। सो वी नीड, दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई इन द वीक 2 वी हैव क्लियरली सेड दैट ट्राई टू एनालाइज, एटलीस्ट स्पेंड 1 hour and try to analyze whatever mistakes that you are doing in the questions, और पूरे मैथ्स में जो भी क्वेश्चन समझने में या फिर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने में, ट्राई टू एनालाइज व्हाट योर मिस्टेक्स आर। फॉर्मूला में हमें फॉर्मूला शीट को रिवाइज करना है सो दैट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट विद द फॉर्मूला एंड डोंट एंड अप फॉरगेटिंग एनी फॉर्मूला, एंड take sufficient amount of sleep. That this the particular line, it is recommended by every coaching expert that try to take sufficient amount of rest so that on the exam day you are completely active. Also, there is one major part that we have to highlight, and you can see it on the screen. Student who do 6-hour math session the night before the exam black out in the exam. That is very, very true, and we have received this particular statement from multiple people. आप अगर एग्जाम में अपेयर कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका अगर 2 अप्रैल को एग्जाम है, तो मेक श्योर कि आप 1 अप्रैल को मन है तो एक मॉक टेस्ट दे सकते हैं, बट डोंट ट्राई टू डू इट इन अ वे कि हाँ 5-6 घंटा 8 घंटा बैठे खाली टेस्ट पे टेस्ट लिख रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। उस टाइप से करने में कभी भी आपको फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा। देयर इज अ चांसेस दैट इट माइट बैकफायर एंड यू माइट एंड अप like confused during the exam day. Your brain need rest, take rest and take sufficient amount of rest so that you are confident in the exam day. You have 3 weeks and it's your duty to use it in a right way. So here are final words for the session 2 exam that you need to understand. So the truth about 3 weeks is some of the students go for from 55 to 95 marks in maths in 3 weeks, not because they are genius, but it happens because they stop random revision or random activities and focus more towards being strategical and precise when it comes to maths. So to achieve the marks, what you need to do is identify your current gaps in tier 1, because tier 1 is the most important and topic that I have highlighted, and it can fetch you good amount of marks, and diagnose it today. Follow the week 1 daily structure strategically. Start your error log from your very first place. From if you are starting your 3-week plan from today, make sure that you are creating a separate logbook to analyze what mistakes you are committing while solving the questions, and do your first time full mock test in week 2, so that you are confident that whatever questions that you have done, you have whatever topics you have completed, you are having a very grasp of it. So session 2 is not a threat, it's an opportunity. You know whether what the exam feels like and you have data. So make sure that you utilize these 3 weeks in a very right way, so that you get good marks in JEE Mains session 2 exam. And if you have any kind of doubt, make sure to post it in the comment section and our team will be replying for the same. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the data present in it, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you wish to get more updates on various state and national level engineering exams like BITSAT, VIT EEE, TSMSET, AP, MSET, MST set and more, then make sure to subscribe the channel, as we will be creating more such video for different exams very soon.